Do you want to create your Shopify store and start making money, but you don't know how? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional store in minutes and start making money. Together, we'll create this watch store with a generic theme that you can copy for any other product. By the end of this video, you'll have learned everything you need to get started on your own. Let's go. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. At the bottom of this video, you'll find a link that takes you to the Shopify registration page. Click on it. With this link, you can either extend your trial period if you've already started your Shopify trial elsewhere, or benefit from a 3-day free trial, which is enough time to create your store. You'll also receive a 3-month Shopify subscription for $1 per month. Then, enter your email address and click on Start Free Trial. Choose your password and click on Create Shopify Account. These are configuration questions. You can answer them as appropriate or skip them. Here we are on the dashboard. I'll explain how to design your store step by step. Step 2. Choose the theme. To choose our theme, click on Design Your Online Store in seconds. Here, you can choose between Generate Custom Themes and Browse Pre-Made Themes. You can generate a custom theme by briefly describe what you'll be selling in your store. For example, in our case, it's premium watches. Click on Generate Custom Themes to generate them, or click on Browse Pre-Made Themes to use the base theme of Shopify. To keep this tutorial generic, choose the Dawn theme, which is the default theme. If you understand how to modify it, you can modify any other theme. Click on Customize. It's very simple. This button allows you to navigate between the pages of your store. Now you're on the home page, so stay there. On the left, the sidebar allows you to modify the content of your page. The announcement bar, the header, the banner image, the footer, and you can also add sections. You can also modify each element by simply clicking on it. If you click on the header, for example, you can modify the logo position, colors, spacing, padding, etc. The same goes for the banner. If you scroll down, you'll see the list of our products and the footer. Step 3. Branding. We first need to add our logo. To do this, either click directly on the header or go to Settings. Click on Logo, then click Select. You can add images by clicking Add Images if you haven't already imported them. Then select your logo image. On the other hand, the logo looks small. We can increase its size like this. It looks better this way. Next, we'll modify the banner image. Simply click on it. I'll add a little opacity for the overlay. For the text location, you can change it. Click on Position. For example, choose Top Center or set it back to Bottom Center. Then, we'll modify the image. Click on Select and choose the image we already uploaded. We also modify the heading title, make it bold, add a link if we want, and change its size. We almost forgot to save. Let's preview the store. It looks beautiful and professional right from the start. If you want to change the color of your heading or any text or button, go to Settings, then Colors. Here's the list of predefined color schemes. You can modify them by clicking on them or add a new scheme. You can choose a color for the text and a color for the button outline. You can also modify other colors, such as the button label color, shadow, background, etc. Now we'll apply the scheme to our heading to show you. And here's how its color has been modified. Step 4. Adding your products. Go back to your dashboard and click on Products. Click on Add Product to add products manually. The first step is entering the product title, followed by the description. Next, add media. Click Upload New if you're uploading new media, or select Existing to add a previously uploaded image. The category is automatically pre-selected based on the description. Then, enter the price and the compare at price, which is the price before the promotion. For cost per item. This is for your internal calculations to determine your profit. You'll also need to input how many items you have in stock and the weight of your product. Once everything is done, your product is ready. Don't forget to save. Let's preview it. It looks awesome. Now we add all our products one by one, and there you have it. Our product list is ready. Let's view them on the store. Wow, it looks beautiful. The site is almost ready. You just need to choose your photos carefully. Step 5. Create collections. Go back to Products on the dashboard, click on Collections, then click on Create Collection. Enter the title of your collection, a short description, and add an image for your collection. This is very important. To add products to your collection, click on Browse and add your products one by one. Don't forget to save. We finished creating the rest of the collections. Next, go to your store to add them to your shop. You can click on Add Section here, or use the left sidebar. You can add many types of sections like slideshow, image banner, multi-row, multi-column. Choose Collection List. Follow me. If you succeed here, you'll be able to modify any other section we have for collections. Select 4 columns. You can also add the View All button like this. The 4th collection is missing. We duplicate one, then select the correct collection. Do the same for the others. Save and view your site. Here is your collection. You can click on a specific collection or view all to see them all. Step 6. Navigation. To add an item to your main menu, the one in your header, for example, collection, we need to leave the theme editor and go to the dashboard. Then, navigate to Content, then Menus. Select Main Menu and click on Add Menu Item. Enter the label. And for the link, use the URL of the page, in this case, a collection. Add a second item if needed. You can also reorder items by dragging and dropping them. Don't forget to save. Return to your theme editor. If the changes don't appear, refresh the page. And there you have it, the modified menu. Now, if we preview the site, we can navigate directly to the leather and women's collections from the main menu in the header. Step 7. Add payments. To set up payments, return to your dashboard, navigate to Finance, and click on Activate Shopify Payments. To activate Shopify Payments, you'll need to complete the account setup. Below, you'll find other payment options. For instance, you can link your PayPal account or completely disable PayPal payments, though I don't recommend this as it may cause you to lose customers who prefer PayPal. Another important payment method is the manual payment method, such as bank transfers, money orders, or especially cash on delivery, which is crucial in certain countries where credit cards aren't widely used. You can add additional details and payment instructions, then activate this payment method. To complete the account setup, follow the 2 minutes video in the link above where I explain that easy to do. At the end, click Submit for verification. Once validated, your payment page will be ready. You'll be able to accept payments via credit card, Apple Pay, Amex, Google Pay, etc. Step 8. Adding shipping details and policies. Go to your dashboard, then navigate to Settings and click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll see the relevant information. You can modify rates and delivery methods. For example, you can set free shipping only for orders over $60. You can also delete or adjust other delivery methods as needed. You can modify international delivery options as well. You can also add other rates if you prefer to ship with a different carrier. Don't forget to save. Here, you can manage your preferred carriers. If you operate multiple locations and can ship products from them, you can configure that as well. You can also offer in-store pickup to your customers. To enable this, activate the feature and edit information. For policies, navigate to Settings and click on Policies. Fill in the required sections one by one. Don't worry, Shopify provides pre-made templates. Click on Insert Template and then Publish. However, make sure to review them carefully, as the templates are generic and may not align perfectly with your policies. Finally, don't forget to manage the return rules. This is very important. Click on Manage and activate the return feature. Save your changes when done. Now you have to add these policies to your store. Return to your store, scroll to the footer, and activate the policy links. Now they are visible. Step 9. Set up general settings. Go to Settings, then General. Here, you can update your store name and enter your billing information, business name, and address. Next, go to Locations and click Add Location to add or edit your locations. Step 10. Pick a domain. To pick a domain, go to Settings in the dashboard and click on Domains. If you already have a domain, click Connect Existing Domain to link it. Otherwise, click by New Domain. Enter your desired store name, avoiding spaces. For example, watchespremium.com is available for $16 per year. Click Buy to purchase it. On the purchase page, you can enable or disable auto-renewal for yearly renewals. Fill in your information so the domain is registered to you, and then finalize the purchase by clicking By Domain. Final step, pick a plan. From your online store page, click on Pick a Plan. You'll see a list of Shopify plans. As a beginner, I recommend starting with the basic plan, which costs $29 per month. However, using my referral link, you can get the plan for $1 for 3 months. A huge discount. There's no excuse not to start your e-commerce business and make money. Fill in your payment information and click Subscribe. You can opt out of annual payment and choose monthly payments instead. However, monthly payments cost $39 instead of $29. I recommend the annual payment option. It saves you $120 per year, which is a significant amount. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on e-commerce, web development, and AI.